Welcome to the NBC's Special News Report on NASA and their focus for the next several months. Hello, I'm Gleason, and I will be your host for the evening. First, we'd like to talk to Mark File, our NASA specialist, who will be telling us about the future of NASA. Mark, what is the next step for NASA?
First of all, we plan to make a permanent base for astronauts on the moon so we can travel to Mars.
What would be the point of that?
Well, it's a building block for the ultimate goal to go to Mars easily, so we don't have to go from Florida and travel all the way up to Mars.
Okay. What does President Bush say about this?
The President wants to renew the space program since from the fall after the Apollo missions, they didn't turn out to be good. He wants to bring it back into place, and he's strongly committed to the exploration of space.
Have you encountered any problems so far?
Yes, we are not sure about the budget because of the war against terrorism, and that's all our finances right now.
As far as Mars goes, is this voyage something you can see in the near future?
No, probably not. We are having enough problems with the moon base already trying to put that after preparing together. Finished, we will look towards our ultimate goal of voyaging to Mars.
Thank you for your help, Mark. Next up, we'll be talking to John Abruzzo about the launches on the space mission. Hello, John. Thank you for joining us. Since you are a pilot, can you tell us about some of the next missions that will be going on?
Well, thank you for having me first. On February 15th, we'll be setting a mission off called Themis, which will be setting off a rocket.
What will this rocket be doing?
We will send it to study the dynamic and the colorful eruptions of auroras.
Okay, what are the following missions?
Well, we will go set off March 16th with a space shuttle, and we go to the International Space Shuttle Station.
Are there any following missions?
Well, April 25th, we have AIM, which will study the highest clouds in the atmosphere. And on June 20th, we will send a rocket, Dawn, to orbit two planetary bodies, a single voyage, Sirius and Vesta.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark, for the information on the moon base and Inspect on NASA's goals. And thank you to John for telling us about the current missions NASA has been working on. As you can see, we've learned many things about NASA's future and upcoming missions. That's it for tonight. This has been Gleason, NBC News.